Developing story we're following is the push to legalize mixed martial arts here in New York State. The Senate is moving a bill forward, but whether or not it has any traction in the Assembly is yet to be seen. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Matt Bovee is live at our digital desk this noon with more.
Katie, first we want to start by showing you this. This is Mixed Martial Arts Professional League, the UFC. These fights last sometimes only 13 seconds, and the fight in Albany is to make this legal here in New York State. Now, as we speak, the UFC itself is holding a press conference in Albany talking about the benefits it would have in New York State. We've been following those tweets as they've come in and giving you all the updates. But back here at home, this is what you can find in local gyms. But local politicians we've been talking with all morning have said enough is enough. It's time to legalize this here in New York State. It's been approved by the New York State Senate for the last 6 years and looks like it will be again this year, but has been shot down every single time by the Assembly, mainly because of the concerns about the sport's violence, something fighters say is exaggerated and politicians say can be regulated.
I've had a long amateur and professional career, and I've been hurt worse, doing other things than fighting. I'm not going to say it's not a tough sport, but to me, truthfully, honestly, I don't find it any more tough or violent than football or anything else.
Here we are, the only state that doesn't have professional mixed martial arts. You're talking about an estimated economic impact of over $140 million annually. This makes sense. This should have been passed a long time ago.
Ort says if passed, we could likely see professional events here in New York State later this year or early next year. And that he's hopeful this year is different in the Assembly because the governor is now on board. But the UFC isn't stopping their campaign to bring it to New York State in Albany. They're bringing it down the 90 tomorrow for a press conference right here in Buffalo. We, of course, are going to be following this as it develops and see what new things come out of these press conferences as they continue today. Stick with us on air and, of course, on our WKBW app for all of the latest. Katie.